Hello guys, today we are going to make the most delicious loaded nachos. It's going to be the best loaded nachos you've ever seen in your life. Okay, so we have all of our ingredients over here. This is where all the nacho chips are. This is the seasoning, this is the cheese, and this is the sauce. And we have all of our side ingredients over here. Okay, so our first step is to take the nachos and put it into this bowl. Okay, we get the nachos in here. Okay, real quick, let me just try one. Yeah, it's pretty good. Okay, so to microwave the nachos, we have to put it on this plate so it can microwave evenly. So I'm gonna start assorting them on the plate. So far, I've layered it. It took a time-taking process, but it looks good. So now we're gonna get our corn and we're gonna spread it out evenly on our nachos. Okay, and then after this, we're gonna put our cheese. Okay, now this is our cheese packet and we're gonna layer it on our nachos. Okay, now we layered our cheese. Now we're gonna get our onions. Okay, now we're gonna get some bell peppers. Okay, now we have our tomatoes. Now we're gonna layer it on here. It smells so good right now, but I can't eat it right now because I know if I microwave it, then it will taste better. So yeah, I'm just eat one real quick. Good. Okay, we're done layering our tomatoes, and then we're gonna put all of this into the microwave. Okay, now we're gonna microwave these nachos for 1 minute. Okay, so I'm gonna pick up this plate. I have to be very careful with this. Okay. Mission successful. Okay, now I have to do it for 1 minute. There. Okay, so our nachos are ready. And look at that. It smells and it looks. It smells good so far. I don't think my mom approved of that, but oh well, I'm gonna smell it again. That's for you, Mom, okay? Now our next step is to put sour cream on there. So bigger scoop. Put some more on there. Okay, I need to put some on the outside too. Wow, it looks amazing. Okay, that's it for now. And then our next step is to put the lettuce on. Okay, so this is our lettuce right here. And now we're gonna put it on. Wow. the lettuce just gave it a pop of color. It looks much healthier now. Okay, put a little bit more. So that is done. Okay, so we're gonna put our sauce mix on the sides, the mild seasoning from, not mild seasoning, what? Mild sauce from Taco Bell. So I'll put about like this much, yeah. I'll put a little more. It smells like barbecue sauce. Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna put a little bit of seasoning in here. Oh god. Okay, so I think that's enough seasoning. And now we're gonna mix it up. Let me just get the spoon. Okay, so we're gonna mix it up. Okay, so I'm gonna drizzle a little bit on the nachos. Get this side real quick. Okay. I don't know if my mom will like that much sauce, so I'm just gonna put a little bit. So guys, we are done making our loaded nachos. Okay, so stare at it in its all of beauty or something like that. Yeah, something like that, yeah. Something along those lines, I'm pretty sure. So it looks very good. Smells absolutely delicious, so I'm gonna take a bite. Okay guys, I'm gonna try one. Guys, but before I eat this, make sure you like and subscribe and comment on this video. What type of video you want to see next, okay? Okay, it's time. It's the best loaded nachos I've ever had in my life. 10 out of 10. Okay guys, my mom was helping me throughout this video, so please comment and subscribe and make sure you hit the notification bell.